Good morning guys and welcome back again to our channel. This is your Boholanaonthego and today we will continue our Melbourne tour part 2. Right now guys, we will be departing from Bendigo Station going to Melbourne. It will take 2 hours to reach Melbourne City from Bendigo train station. My aunt, my husband and I will explore Melbourne together. Without further ado, let's go!
Train ride just to see you, ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone.
2,000 years later.
And we're almost in the city guys!
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
After 2 hours in the train, we are now here at Southern Cross train station. Southern Cross Railway Station is the most important rail terminal in Victoria. It is the combination railway, shopping center and bus terminal. Station is located on Spencer Street between Collins and Latrobe Streets at the western boundary of the Central Business District. Southern Cross is one of 5 stations forming the City Loop, a mostly underground railway that encircles the CBD. Before we start exploring guys, we will have our lunch here at Papa Rich inside Southern Cross. They offer different varieties of Malaysian food here. Lunch done and it's time to explore. Right now we are here at City Circle Tram Zone where we can hop on and hop off for free while enjoying the view of the city and see different historical landmarks. The City Circle tram service provides a free and convenient way to get around central Melbourne. Tourists, shoppers, office workers, and families can use the City Circle tram to travel to major attractions, shops, and city events.
Tagyog ayo ba? This is beautiful, Troy. We're in the heart of the city.
I drive back. Oh, okay.
First off, it's St. Paul's Cathedral. St. Paul's is an Anglican church located on Melbourne's busiest intersection. The church was built between 1880 and 1931. It is Melbourne's landmark and Victoria's most visited sacred place with over 400,000 visitors a year. It is constructed in sandstone with beautiful patterned floor tiles and mosaics, bended stonework, fine timbered roof, and tiled dado walls. Right now guys, we were just walking along Federation Square to see more up close of different things around.
So original, you were never backing down.
Ah, nice bitawan ti oy.
One of the Melbourne's famous attraction is the Hosier Lane. Hosier Lane is famous for its sophisticated urban art and graffitis. This street is one of Melbourne's non-conformist attractions. It is only 2 minutes stroll from Flinders Street Station in Melbourne CBD. Next stop is the Treasury Gardens. The Treasury Gardens is one of the state's oldest public gardens and is a short walk from Victoria's Parliament House.
If you stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it
our last destination is the Parliament House of Melbourne. The meeting place of the Victorian Government Parliament House is one of Melbourne's best-known landmarks. And that's it for today, guys. That ends for our Melbourne City Tour Part 2. I hope you enjoy my vlog for today, guys, and join me again on my next adventure here in Australia. Bye-bye!